Ever notice how yawns spread? One person yawns and suddenly, everyone else joins in. But why is this phenomenon so contagious? Let's dive in. It turns out, this contagious act is linked to our brain's mirror neurons. They help us share emotions and prompts like yawning. Fascinating, right? So, next time you yawn, remember, it's not just tiredness. It's our brain's way of connecting, reminding us we're all in this together. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more mind-blowing insights.